Hey guys, for today's video we're going to be replacing the lip support on my Hyundai Veloster 2016. The procedure for replacing a lip support is the same for most of the vehicle, so even if you have a different car, just keep watching. Today I'm going to be using this product from Chemox, and the only tool that you will need is a flathead screwdriver. If you look at your lip support, you're going to see that you have a band right here at the end, also on the other side, and basically all you need to do is lift that band. So you want to make sure that you have a screwdriver that will fit on that band, okay? You'll notice that my car's hatch is actually up right now, but this thing actually fell a couple of times already. And if you notice, if I will lower it down a little, it drops by itself, okay? And it's actually heavy to lift it up. So I'm just gonna replace it before it fails completely. And basically what you want to do is you just want to get your replacement ready. And if you have somebody with you, it's better to have someone hold this, because this thing is going to be heavy and it's gonna drop once you remove the band. Okay, so let me show you how I'll do it if I'm by myself. So I'm just gonna go put this thing right here where I can reach it, and then I'm gonna reach out right here and lift the band. And I'm also gonna go look on the bottom and lift the band there as well. Okay, so now that I have those two bands out, all I need to do is like pull this thing down a little and pull this thing out. Same thing as the other one. Let me grab my replacement unit, and what you want to do is install it on the top portion first. So you just want to go like this and push it. Okay, and the reason that you install the top portion first is so that you can easily maneuver this thing right here. See, right now I can spin this easily. If I start from the bottom, it's gonna be hard to do that. Okay, so let me go ahead and push this thing up and lower it a little and push it in. So now this is already installed. So all I need to do now is do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just gonna support it right here and lift this thing up. Okay, so let me go switch hands and just reach it. And again, you just want to pull it out. Same thing on the bottom. And install this first. So you just want to push it and then do the same one on the bottom. So I can rotate this thing first and then push it out right here. Now we're all set. If you look here now, I can actually push this like this and it will still go back up by itself. You see that? And if I close this, all I need to do is open this a little and it will go up by itself. So if your car's not doing that, that means that it's time for you to replace the lip support in your car. I hope that you found this video helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.